Today, I am going to provide a brief tutorial on the process of crafting a survey using Google. To start with, one of the initial steps involves logging into your Google account. Our next action is to select Google Apps. You can find the Google Survey option right here. Click on it, and then navigate to More when it appears. Here, you'll discover Google Forms. Click on Google Form. The first task is to give your form a title, perhaps something like demographics. Feel free to include a description as well. Once that's done, you can add questions. For instance, let's start with a straightforward question related to gender. Under the Options section, you can label Option 1 as male and Option 2 as female. After you've formulated your questions, you have the flexibility to choose from various question types. To add a question, click here. If you wish to alter the response type, use the drop-down arrow to select from a range of options including short answer, drop-down, and checkboxes. Once your survey is entirely created, I'll demonstrate how to efficiently distribute it. Should you prefer to share it via email, click on the Send button at the top. Enter the recipient's email addresses and send out invitations to participate. Alternatively, you can opt to share a link. Copy the link to allow access to the survey, or respondents can complete it. If you're using a platform like Blackboard or another learning management system, you can even embed the link directly into your course materials. Aside from questions, there are other aspects to consider. You can edit the title and description and incorporate images, videos, and sections. If you make an error in a question, don't worry, you can simply delete it using the Delete button. As you spend more time experimenting with the platform, you'll become familiar with its functionalities. Furthermore, once you're ready to view the responses, click on Responses. While there are currently no responses, you'll be able to track the number of participants once you share the survey. Additionally, you can utilize the Create a Spreadsheet option to export responses to a Google Sheet, which can then be converted to an Excel spreadsheet or imported into software like SPSS or SAS, depending on your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more informative videos about research. See you in the next video of The Artificial Professor.